Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying your exact Acer model because driver packages match hardware precisely. Once done, create a Windows restore point and back up critical files so you can recover if something goes wrong. Make sure the laptop is plugged into power and on a stable internet connection. Disable VPN or proxy to avoid download issues. Open Device Manager and keep it visible. This is where you'll confirm outdated drivers. Now proceed to the vendor download step without delays. Stay focused on exact model numbers. Go to the Acer support site, enter your model or serial, and choose the correct operating system. This ensures compatibility. Prioritize chipset and graphics drivers because they affect stability and device detection, followed by audio, LAN, and WLAN drivers. Download each package, run installers as administrator, and follow prompts. Don't batch install everything at once. Install one driver, reboot if requested, and verify Device Manager shows no warnings. If an installer offers optional software, uncheck extras you don't need to avoid. After installing, verify Device Manager for any yellow exclamation marks and confirm hardware functions correctly. Test audio, Wi-Fi, and display. If a new driver causes problems, use the Roll Back Driver button or restore the system point you created earlier. Make sure Windows Update and Acer Care Center have no pending updates that affect drivers. If issues persist, boot into safe mode, uninstall the problematic driver, and reinstall the previous stable version. This often resolves conflicts and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.